Hi, this video is the Art of Hair Transplant Restoration Surgery result. The 1 year post-op with before and after photo, and this is 100% FUE done by me a year ago, and he actually come drive pretty far for a follow-up. And I'm thanking enough for allowing me to show the audience that there's a whole artistry of creating natural hairline. In reality, is this client had two procedures done by machine. I just it and twice, and it didn't really give any density, and then not just no density, but there's no artistry of creating it. And so after that, he did quite a bit of research and found I came upon my work. And because I'm the one who personally harvesting the hair graft manually by myself, and I've been been the FUE surgeon specialist for over 11 years. And again, I do both FUE and FUT, but in terms when it comes to FUE, I'm the one who's sitting there pulling one at a time. And the surgical skill will give the density, but the artistic and aesthetic detail, and that's when it really framed the face, enhanced the eyes and the nose and all the features that God created when you create a very natural hairline that's proportional to an individual overall face. It's a custom work. And so I'm going to show the audience what he looked like before, and that was him. This is after 2 surgery and with poor density. And again, we did 1,373 grafts and just overall increased overall density, fixed the hairline, and clean it up for him. And a year later, and you can see how nice the hairline is. And I give him a medium tight hairline with Caucasian brown hair. The hair tend to be a little bit fine, so the more tight the hairline you produce, called medium tight, without drawing a lot of tension, the better the density look will be. Again, that's poor density. And a year later, and you can see an inch and a half right here. And again, we clean up the hairline, and increase the overall density. And left hand side, you can see we lower at least an inch. Again, I clean up his hairline, and you can see a nice and how natural. And then again, this is a very natural look for him. And a year later, and the greatest compliment I had was he telling me that it completely changed his perspective, his self-esteem, self-confidence. But for the fact that he's mentioned that after being depressed or having 2 surgery done by not by the surgeon himself, but just the machine and all stuff, and with poor result. Then when he stumbled upon me, he figured that if someone can get it done, why not for him? And the greatest part is he's saying that he feels so much better now, so much happier that he is on the other side, and that he is on the video of having my video and being the patient, being the result of the density and the naturalness. And you can tell when he first walked back to my clinic, you can see how his face has changed. It looks younger, and I'm going to show the audience what he looked like. Not his face, but I'm going to comb his hair and just see the density for the audience to see. There's no topic or kabuki or to increase his density. It's all 100% FUE done by me, and with full density. Again, and not everybody can have same result. The result vary from one individual to another. And the more you put in, the better the density it will be. And you can see how natural his hair is, nice zigzag. Now I give him a called medium tight hairline. So medium tight hairline tend to give you a better density appearance. And you can see how I clean up his hairline, and it's much nice and cleaner. And again, it's nice zigzag through, and we comb it down for the audience to see full density. Look at that. You can cut it, you can perm it, you can dye it, and you can see he has a little bit more lighter blonde on top. And you can see how natural his hairline has nice zigzag through it. But the great thing is excellent density. So I did lower his hairline a little bit and give him fix his hairline and clean it up. and not just give him overall density, because I want to make sure it frame his face better. And this is where he is. If you can look down for me, all the way down so the audience can see. Perfect. Go ahead, look up. And this is 100% done by FUE. And this is where he is now. Thank you.